everyone, I'm gonna do a video of try to die in Roblox. So let me ask what this guy is saying. Hey, what's up, dog? What's up, dog? Hi there. Thank you for playing the new update. Your data wasn't saved before the update, so here's a button that lets you skip the first 25 stages. I will remove it in a month or two. Don't forget to go to level 0 for credits. Well, I'd never played this game, so thank you. Click that for no reason. Oh god. Well, this is boring. I thought it was the brick tycoon. So what do we do? Just do regular game of anything tycoon. Well, this is boring. I'm bored. 150. Oh, do we just... Oh, I thought we died. If we touched kill brick, since it is called the kill brick. I'll just click like crazy. Anytime. Still not there. Anyways, if you like this game, please like and subscribe. It would help me a lot. Let me check. Oh, we're getting close. Getting close. I gotta just click it 43 more times. No, wait. 33 more times. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, whatever. I don't have to count. I'll just click. Hey, exactly 150. Yeah, I got a second dropper. And it doesn't have to. So what are we even doing in this thing? This is boring. We're just going to other guys' bricks or something. Brick level 26. This is horrible. It's boring. Boring. I want to play the game. I don't want to do a stupid tycoon game. Boring. I'm so bored. But even face giver. $50. $50. I'll just click swap. Join in. Never mind. I'm too lazy. Oh yeah, they do give it the face. The red painter. $500. Am I allowed to get? I want to die because the game is trying to die in Roblox. I really just want to die. Sorry. Any second now. Should be 500. Okay, do we die now? Can we die? Yay! I managed to die! Yes, reach it. Reach it. Okay, I promise this is the last one. Or is it the last one? Wow, thank you. Oh, do we have to roll a ball? Oh, God. God, no. How do you get even up to that? How do you... What in the name of what? It's like... What in the... Some sort of... How? How? Jump on my head. Jump on my head. I can lift you up. Jump on my head. Jump on my head. What the? up, hold up, hold up. How? How? What in the? What in the name of what? How? I'm confused. Confused. Tip. Push the ball backwards with shift lock when going up. I'm confused. How do you... How? How? This is so confusing. How do you get up to that? Is it like some sort of invisible thing, right? What? What? Oh, this was so dumb. You gotta use the ice block. Oh. Don't move. Don't move. I got you. Yeah. Move, ice block, move. That's why it looked like people were jumping out of nowhere. Dooby dooby doo. Looby looby. Here we go. Do we have to really push it backwards? Oh, we do. Yeah, it's easier. We can just use frontwards. Okay, never mind. Backwards is better. Always listen to the game. Listen to the game, people. Listen. How long does this take just to roll a ball up to some sort of thing? Stop rolling down. This is a bulb. Roll upwards. No. I have to quit this game. This is so annoying. Oh, I just want to get up to the face. Right, I'm just gonna leave and rejoin because there was a part that I could just relax and just jump into a hole. And I was like, yes, please, please, please. Oh, no, not doing that. No thanks. No thanks. No thanks. I'll play Longest Answer Wins. That's a good game. I'm dead. Oh, I thought I was dead. I thought I was dead. Hey, go! She's sleepy. She's in a nightgown. Okay, that's inappropriate. Blur that out. Okay. There's two people. Oh! Admit one. Admit. She has! Whoa, whoa, whoa. She is 33. I don't have any. One. 2, 1, 0. Easy. Easy. Not hard. Not hard. Please. Not hard. Not hard. No! I'm not a maths. I'm not good at guessing. Name a way of sending messages. Email. What? An email is a way. She said. WhatsApp. Name exotic house pets. Crocodile. What the heck? Parrot. That's okay, I guess. Name a country that speaks Spanish. Spain. Of course. Oh my! Spain. Oh, she just said Spain. She's gonna die. Name a form of individual. I don't know. Magnesium. Something. I don't know. I have no clue. I'm dead. I'm dead. I want to see this. I want to see this. Come on. Oh. Oh! Oh! 18 wins. No. Oh. There's two. Me! I'm there! Yay! There's two of. Who the hell is that? I don't know. Next game starting in 1-0. Please, easy, easy, easy. Yes, easy. Easy was winning, bro. Easy. Easy. Name a school subjects. Geography. Geography. No, what? English. History. That's smart. Month in the year. August. September. December. One for those ones. December. Oh my gosh. Final question. What are the types of seasons? Winter. Winter. I like winter. Summer. Think of something you can use to draw. What did she say? What'd she say? What'd you say? Pencil. I don't know. Oh! Name a reason you'd wake up in the middle of the night. Nightmare. A lot of people did nightmare. In which place do we find an elevator? Mall. Hell. Hospital. It's good. Mall. Name things you bring on a camping trip. Sleeping bag. Heh, beat that, lamos. Sleeping bag is better. What's something that's sharp? Nails. What? Nails are sharp. Knife. She's smart. I'm done. Oh god, no, I'm gonna die if I don't get this question right. Name a 2D geometric shape. Square. They probably pick like rectangle. Yeah, I knew it. Oh, I died. Oh, no. I'll have to end the video here, guys. So, if you like this game, please like and subscribe. See you in the next video. Bye.